Last class we can discuss about adaptive radiations regarding to the Galapagos Islands. Today we can discuss about the theories of evolution. Evolution. See, it is a very important concept here regarding to the theories of evolution indicates scientific basis explanation of the organic evolution. The scientific base of the organic evolution, the first theory is the Lamarckism. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, he was a French biologist and he wrote a book. That book name is the Philosophie Zoologique. In his book, he can explain about the organic evolution. It means, suppose an environmental influence of an organism. It means an environmental influence takes place on organism. At that time, the structural changes takes place and they can form some of the organs is useful and some of the organs will be disuseful. Now, which organs is useful to the organism, the size is gradually increases. Which organs is not able to useful to the organism, that is the disuseful organs, that organs is gradually it will be disintegrated. He can explain according to the Lamarckism, and he can say some examples. Giraffe neck. See, for giraffe neck, the neck is gradually increases and adapted to that environmental condition. That's why neck is an organ that is the useful to the giraffe. Gradually, due to the environmental condition, the giraffe neck size is increases. And then if you go for the disuse, suppose python, before that they having a limbs is present. Here basically these are the creeping ones, pythons. It is the burrowing type of habitat. When it is enter into the burrowings, this limbs is obstructed, this one. That's why it is the disuseful organ. That's why gradually this disuseful organs is gradually it will be disintegrated. Now if you observe the pythons, any limbs is there? No. That's why which having a, and then these limbs are not able to useful to the python. That's why this limbs is gradually it will be disintegrated. These are the characters is explained by the Lamarckism. But this theory is objected by August Weismann. Why this theory is objected by the August Weismann means, see, why the Lamarckism theory is objected by the August Weismann indicates. See here, he can go for the decardelization experiment. Decardelization experiment means he can take a mice and he can cut the tail. When he can cut the tail, now this progeny or offsprings, they can get the characteristics of cutting tail character. Why? Because if you cut this character, if you cut the tail, that character will be transferred from the parent to the offsprings or progenies. he can done so many experiments. What he cut the tail, that character is not able to transfer to the progenies. Why he can explain means giraffe neck and limbs of python. These are the neck and limbs is the somatical character. That is the vegetative characters. Basically, in our body, somatical characters and germ cells characters. It means reproductive cells characters and vegetative cells characters is present. Here, this August Weismann, he can explain that only germ cells characters is a transfer from the parent to the progeny, not the somatical character. What he can say that is a Lamarck. It means elongation of neck is the character transfer from the parent to the progeny. Elongation of neck is the somatical character. This somatical character is not able to transfer from the parent to the progeny. That is explained by the August Weismann. That's why he can objected that here cutting of tail, it is what character? Somatical character. Somatical character is not able to transfer from the parent to the progeny. How this character is transferred from the parent to the progeny, he can explain. And he can say that suppose a perforation in the pinna region. మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా చెప్పాలంటే ఆడపిల్లలకి కమ్మలు పెడతారు. కమ్మలు పెడితే ఇక్కడ మనకు పోర్స్ ఉంటాయి, చిన్న హోల్ పెట్టేసి కమ్మలు పెడతారు. నౌ దట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పేరెంట్ టు ద ఆఫ్ స్ప్రింగ్. అంటే తల్లికి కమ్మలు పెట్టగానే ఆ పోర్ ఉండగానే నెక్స్ట్ పుట్టే పిల్ల పుట్టినప్పుడే పోర్తో పుట్టిందా? పుట్టదుగా. And why that is what type of characters? Somatical characters. That's why somatical characters is not able to transfer from the parent to the progeny. He can explain. Later, he can observe that careful observation of the neo-Lamarckism. He can pave how he can acceptable that theory. Now he can explain that one. Neo-Lamarckism. After objection of August Weismann, he can study about the organical evolution and can paved, and they can able to acceptable this theory, and he can work with their correlatives. One is the Cope and then Spencer's. He can done so many experiment, and finally he can conclude that the environmental influence takes place on organism and structural changes takes place. That character will be inheritable. It means suppose an environmental influence takes place on organism. Now what he can explain means suppose ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ ఒక మచ్చ ఉంది, సేమ్ మా మదర్ కూడా ఆ విధంగా ఉంది. Now that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny means now the environmental influences takes place on organism. It may mom. Here this character is the somatical cell character. Now that the environmental influences takes place on the somatical cell character, this cell they can release a chemical substances. These chemical substances through blood circulation enter into the germ cells, that is the reproductive cells. Through reproductive cells, that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny. Like this type of characters will be transferred from the parent to the progeny explained by the neo-Lamarckism. Later all they can acceptable this theory. Is there or not? First what is he going explaining? The environmental influence is takes place on the somatical cells. These somatical cells they can release a chemical substances. This chemical substances through blood circulation enter into the germ cells. Through germ cells that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny. Suppose ఎవరన్నా ఫాదర్కి 6 ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, నెక్స్ట్ పిల్లవాడికి 6 ఫింగర్స్ రావచ్చు రాకపోవచ్చు. ఒకవేళ కానీ 6 ఫింగర్స్ కానీ వస్తే దట్ సొమాటికల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్డ్ బై ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. It can release a chemical substances that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny. If the character is not transferred from the parent to the progeny means environmental influence is not affects on the somatical cells. They are not able to release the chemical substances. That's why they are not able to transfer from the parent to the progeny. Now the next theory is the Darwinism. See, last class I can explain about a culture medium A and culture medium B, and they can form a colonies like that. Here I already said Darwin, he was an OS and he was an English naturalist, and he can observe flora and fauna of the different continents and different islands, and he can influenced by a book name is A Theory and a Principle of Population. The essay and the principle of population, and the theory and principle of geology. The theory of principle of population is explained by the Thomas Malthus. Based upon this influence on his book, he can wrote a book that is named as a Origin of Species. What Darwin he can explain means, if a organism is selected by the nature, the first one, the step over reproduction, and the second one struggle for existence, third one universal variation, fourth one natural selection, and fifth one origin of species. Now suppose what the Darwin they can be explaining means over reproduction. In environment different species is present. Each species they can think it will be dominated in that area. If a organism is dominated in that area means compulsory their population is want to enlarge and elaborated. The population want to elaborate or enlarge means compulsory it will participate in the reproduction. That's why when a species undergoes over reproduction, so many offsprings are formed. Okay, now in this environment so many offsprings is there, but the area is same, but the population is more. When area is same and population is more, compulsory it can undergo for struggle for existence. Struggle for existence, fighting is with food, shelter and mating. Now the struggle for existence either by intraspecific, either by interspecific, either by environmental. See, intraspecific means within the same species. Within the same species the fighting is between with the for food and for shelter and for mating. Inter means between the different species. Between the different species is only mostly for the food and shelter, not for the mating. And then due to the environmental condition is good, it will be survive. That's why if a organism is overcome the intraspecific competition, and it can overcome the interspecific competition, and it is overcome the environmental influence. When this organism overcome these three types, later universal of variation, it means same species either structurally or functionally or genetically they are not similar. Even the offspring came from the same parents, they are not able to look like same either in gene proportion also. That's why some universal variation is takes place. Now that variation that is came from the parent to the progeny, that variation it will be useful, that variation it will be disuseful. If the variation is useful, that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny. If the variation is disuseful, that character is not able to transfer from the parent to the progeny, that is eliminated from the environment. That's why which character can be useful, that character will be transferred from the parent to the progeny. That is the selected by the nature, that is called as a natural selection, and the formation of a species, that is called as a origin of species, that is the best explained by the Darwinism.